Got y'all right here on the weekly so I can see what's going on. Actually, there's a pattern right here. We got the M to the dub, boom, boom. And this was the first retracement of the overall pattern because this is using a weekly pattern. So boom, this confirmation right here. Basically coming down, you see right here to the side, right between those candlesticks, basically where it closed at. We got the wick down too, but straight recovery mode. But anyways, we should be on our way up to start level 2 rise, and that will break through the all-time highs. We see we got multiple tests already, and exactly where this is at. You see where it began off at? Boom, right there. We about to break through. Next time we come up, and then we got this super high right here. That's what, $1.70. So once we get up here, and like I said, we're gonna break through this $1.25 range, and then we're gonna hit this $1.70. Probably stay in that zone a little bit, but we'll continue on because basically after we hit like $1.30, that's price discovery mode. We just got wicks up here, so we could just continue going on anyways. We may not even stay in this general area, but price discovery mode is very soon. Because we see on the weekly right here, right? Most likely this will be covered. It's gonna recover all this, so we hitting at least about 85 cents right here. That'll be in between these candlesticks right here and on the top of these closes. So we at least hitting 85, at least a spike. At some point in time, we're getting a nice move to 85. So we're getting something going on this week. And then it'll come back down. It may close halfway through around this area, around like 70, 75 cents. It'll close there. But then, when we continue on next week, that's what they're going to use to actually break through these and break through the previous highs when you're going to actually make that next move. But like I always say, they could just make that move this week at any point in time because we've seen this happen with plenty of coins. But I'm just showing you how close it is to being in price discovery mode. Like when coins get this close to price discovery mode, that's when they make their biggest moves because it's like nothing stopping them really. Unless something, with the whole market happens and, get caught up with that. But otherwise, it wouldn't do that if it's just like, just naturally going on with its own flow. So yeah, I'm expecting this thing to hit at least 80, 85 cents this week from where it's at right now. And definitely by next week, we breaking through the all-time highs. But like I mentioned, we could still, go through it this week. Well, let's go a little closer. You see it on daily, you see the dub, boom, retracement. See it looks much better on daily because clearly it's using a 100-day right here. We got 3 spikes to the low, so we should be moving out. Or it could form a pattern because I see an M right here, and here's a dub. This could be a W. Come back down, probably hit that one time, continue up. That's a possibility. Or it could just continue its way on up anyways, depending on how they want to do it, but it's not too far away from being a W. It won't be too much of a drop and just boom, shoot up out of here. So the daily looking good. It's clear as day. It came down to hit the 100. So the 4-hourly, well below the 200 EMA, but it also looks good too, just because of the fact we had 1 hit, 2 hits, 3 hits to the low on the 4-hourly chart. So that may be signaling. Then we see the 20 way below the 200 EMA. Yeah, this thing about to make a move real soon. It is. And then all we got is red here, and we got a test right here up to the 50 right here, clear as day. Then we got the green stick afterwards, breakthrough. You can actually say this may be a bull flag formation, you could say. But anyways, I really do believe that things should be making a move real soon. As soon as we see this 20 hit that 200, it's gonna make a nice move out. So at the very least, a next move we looking for 70 cents, just because of doji, and they'll be landing us right here, basically rejecting the 100 EMA. Right? We may come down to the 50. We may. And that'll be down here around like 74, 75 cents. And that's when we're going to make our move completely out of here. And that'll be around like 80 cents. Then after that, we should get another bounce up that 100. And then we'll continue our way up to the all-time highs. So yeah, looking pretty good. I don't see nothing stopping it. And we just, like I always tell you, fast move, false move. This is super fast. Especially when you see anything under 200 EMA. Yeah, it's definitely it's definitely time for it to do something serious. But anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.